Welcome to AppsTravelers. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on home screen or apps screen. To do that, from your Android, long press home screen, then tap settings. This is not phone settings, this is home screen settings. Here, tap hide apps on home and apps screens. This is the screen where you can hide apps on home screen. Select apps that you want to hide and press done. For example, let's hide this calculator from home screen. We have this calculator here. If we hide it and press done, it will be gone. You can unhide it by removing it from hidden apps section and then press done. That's it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.